For in him we live, we move, and we have our being. Acts 17 verse 28. There are moments in life when you realize you are not as strong as you thought. Moments when life reminds you that you are held together by something greater than yourself. Some of us are here today not because we were careful, not because we were wise, not because we made the right choices, but because God would not let us go. There were nights you should not have survived. There were roads you should not have taken. There were decisions that you should not have taken that would have destroyed you. Yet somehow you are still here. Not perfect, not untouched, but alive. The Bible says, in him we live, we move, and have our being. That means that your life is not an accident. Your journey is not random. Your existence is not fragile. It is held. Before you ever ran towards God, he was already holding your breath. Before you ever prayed, he was already guiding your steps. Before you ever knew who you were, already he called you his own. This series is not about motivation. It is about dependence. Not about how strong you are, but about how faithful God has been. If you're breathing today, God is not finished with you. Let us return to God, in whom we live, in whom we move, in whom we have our being.